When it comes to upgrading your home, choosing the right windows can make a significant difference in comfort, energy efficiency, and overall aesthetic appeal. For homeowners in Little Rock, awning windows are an excellent option, offering a combination of practicality, style, and resilience that suits the local climate and lifestyle. Whether you're renovating or building a new home, here are the top benefits of installing awning windows in Little Rock. Superior ventilation in all weather conditions. Little Rock experiences a variety of weather, from humid summers to rainy days. Awning windows are designed with a top-hinged mechanism that allows them to open outward, creating a sloped opening. This unique design means you can enjoy fresh air even during light rain, as the window's slant acts as a protective barrier to keep water out. The ability to ventilate your home in almost any weather is particularly valuable in Little Rock's humid climate, as it helps to maintain a comfortable indoor environment and reduces the risk of moisture buildup. Energy efficiency for year-round comfort. Energy efficiency is a priority for homeowners in Little Rock, where seasonal temperature fluctuations can lead to high heating and cooling costs. Awning windows are known for their excellent insulation properties, especially when equipped with energy-efficient features like low-E glass or double-pane construction. These windows help to regulate indoor temperatures by minimizing heat transfer and preventing drafts, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Reduced reliance on HVAC systems translates to lower energy bills and a smaller environmental footprint. Weather resistance built for Little Rock's climate. Awning windows are built to withstand the challenges of Little Rock's climate, which can include heavy rain, strong winds, and occasional storms. Their tight seal when closed offers superior protection against water intrusion and air leaks, ensuring your home stays comfortable and dry even during extreme weather. For added durability, many awning windows are available in materials like aluminum, vinyl, or fiberglass, which resist warping, rust, and wear over time. This makes them a long-lasting investment for Little Rock homeowners. Enhanced security with practical design. Home security is always a top concern, and awning windows provide a secure solution. Their design allows them to open slightly for ventilation without compromising safety, as the outward angle makes it difficult for intruders to access the window. Modern awning windows also come equipped with advanced locking mechanisms and impact-resistant glass for added protection. This combination of ventilation and security is particularly useful in Little Rock's mild spring and fall seasons, when you want to enjoy fresh air without leaving your home vulnerable. Low maintenance for busy homeowners. Awning windows are designed with convenience in mind, making them easy to maintain. The outward opening mechanism allows you to clean the exterior glass from inside your home, eliminating the need for ladders or special tools. This is especially helpful for second-story windows or hard-to-reach areas. Additionally, the durable materials used in awning windows, such as vinyl or fiberglass, are resistant to rot, corrosion, and fading, reducing the time and effort needed for upkeep in Little Rock's varied climate. Versatile design for every home style. Little Rock is home to diverse architectural styles, from historic homes to modern builds. Awning windows are versatile enough to complement any aesthetic, thanks to their sleek lines and minimalist design. They can be used on their own or paired with larger fixed windows to create unique configurations that enhance your home's overall look. Their compact design also makes them ideal for smaller spaces like bathrooms, kitchens, and basements, where ventilation is needed but space is limited. No matter the style of your home, awning windows offer both beauty and functionality. Increased natural light and curb appeal. Awning windows are designed to maximize natural light, brightening your interiors and creating a welcoming atmosphere. Their placement flexibility means they can be installed higher on walls, allowing light to flood in while maintaining privacy. This not only improves the overall aesthetic of your home but also enhances its curb appeal. For Little Rock homeowners looking to boost their property's value, awning windows are a stylish and practical upgrade that stands out. Cost-effective and long-lasting investment. When you consider their energy efficiency, durability, and low maintenance requirements, awning windows are a cost-effective investment for Little Rock homes. Their longevity ensures you won't need frequent replacements or repairs, and the savings on energy bills add up over time. Awning windows also contribute to a more comfortable and visually appealing home, which can increase its market value, a smart choice for homeowners planning to sell in the future. Conclusion. Installing awning windows in your Little Rock home offers a wealth of benefits, from superior ventilation and energy efficiency to enhanced security and aesthetic appeal. Their ability to withstand the local climate while requiring minimal maintenance makes them a practical and stylish choice for any homeowner. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading your existing windows, awning windows provide the perfect balance of form and function. By choosing awning windows, you'll enjoy a more comfortable, energy-efficient, and visually stunning home that's ready to handle everything Little Rock's climate has to offer.